morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, October 7th. Hope you guys having a great day today. Again, if you guys saw my video yesterday, you saw I mentioned that this week will be relatively light in terms of data we receive on the economic reports. Today is no exception. We have one small item here, and that is the Fed meeting minutes from last month's meeting, and that will be released 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So we'll get that, and of course, investors will want to take a look, see what they had, what was being discussed in the background, and what the thoughts and process will be going forward, especially after they had that policy change about a week prior to the FOMC. Let's take a look here at the headline news and what's going on with the markets. Stocks are up. About an hour before close yesterday, President Trump had put a post out there basically telling that basically dropping all negotiations with the Democrats, telling the Republican counterparts to stop negotiations with them on any stimulus, that he had mentioned that they were dealing in bad faith, that we will wait until after the elections, and saying that when he wins, he will send out a big stimulus package at that point. Um, so at that point, Dow was up about 100 points, and it basically dropped to at least 100 points afterwards. Now, a few hours afterwards, when the markets had already closed, there's a few more tweets that came out, basically stating that he will be more than willing to sign any bills coming to him in terms of like individual ones. So like a bill for the $1,200 stimulus check, a bill maybe towards the airlines, and then more money going towards the triple P. So that kind of eased the markets. Markets came back overnight trading, and now into today's markets opening, we're seeing that improvement. So far today, the Dow is up over 400. So we had, again, his tweets had pretty big ramifications in terms of market impact from late last night and then going into this morning's news here. Now, there's also another note here. We'll see some of these big tech companies like your Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Alphabet or Google, because there was a quick report by High Tech on the High Tech by the House Judiciary Antitrust, Commercial, and Administrative Law Subcommittee. There's a couple of things that they've been highly critical on. Basically, they're kind of comparing them to the modern day versions of what we saw in the past from the oil barons when they created these monopolies, to the telephone companies who had monopolies, cable companies who had monopolies. So it being compared to today's modern version of those companies, and trying to figure out ways on how they can better handle these large corporations that have a lot more impact on businesses. So they're going to be brought to the stage a little bit more, because there might be some changes coming ahead as we have some more of these congressional hearings on them. Let's take a look, see how this is affecting mortgage rates today, and let's take a look. Mortgage rates are down, so we were down much further. As you can see here, we were right here at the 25-day moving average. However, from yesterday's close, we're down about 14 basis points. Yesterday, we did have a price improvement because we ended up closing up 23 basis points. That spiked after the president's tweets, when all that money came out of the stocks and moved into mortgage-backed securities. We had that nice little bump up here and closed up 23 basis points. However, when that reversed, money came back into the stock market, and right now we're down about 14 basis points. So what does that mean? Rates, of course, early on, basically very similar to what we saw early on in the day yesterday. However, we are off the gains that the improvement we received after yesterday's close. So about this time, we're about the same. About the close, after close yesterday, we are off about 1/8 of a point on rate. So let's take a look and see what yields are doing. And yields, same thing, we're back up. So it dropped way down here below this technical level, but it jumped right back, gained it right back. So it's sitting at about 0.77 right now. It's been knocking on the 0.78 range. However, it's still sitting just below that at 0.77%. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. And if you guys mortgage rates are a little bit worse from the close. However, at this time yesterday, the morning, we were about the same in terms of mortgage rates. If you guys are in the market looking to refinance or looking to purchase, stay tuned. I'll leave a link to a website you can go to get more information. Also, I'll put it in the description below, so feel free to go ahead and take a look at those. The company I'm with is a national lender, and I am a loan officer. So if you guys if we don't have the information on those sites, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to be able to help you guys out in any way possible. We can help you out with refinances, and also we can help you out with your purchases. We can give you the pre-qual, get you set up so that we can buy, and then we can also, of course, have a couple different strategies in terms of possible refinances. Those different solutions I've provided in the past include stuff like from divorce situations to uh, college planning ahead. If you got kids early on and want to be able to try plan ahead for those folks, to even those who are looking to retire in the near future as well, have that financial freedom. So please feel free to reach out. Let's discuss how we can help you guys out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.